Hey Iryna, I just wanted to walk you through your website a little bit and address some of the points that you have been asking. And so when you log into your site, you're going to come to this page, which is the dashboard. And to add the inventory, first I'll teach you how to upload products, and then also at the same time how to add inventory. So you're going to want to come up here to products, and excuse my computer, it's acting really slow today. Here are all your products in alphabetical order, and so to upload a new product, you go here to add product, and it's fairly simple. You just add, a photo here, your description, your title, your price, and then this is how you make sure it shows up on your inventory list. You want to make sure that this is clicked to track quantity, and then you're just going to want to save that, and then also make sure that you activate it, otherwise it's not going to show up on your site. So if it's done and you're happy with the product you uploaded, the information you put in here, you just make sure it's active and then press save. And then so those are products, and then inventory, access to inventory, which you've already figured out, is right here. What else did I want to show you? Oh yeah, gift cards. So what we were confused about before is because we had clicked this, issue gift card. So this is if you're issuing a gift card individually for someone, and that's not what you're doing. What we set up here was a gift card product, and this was done correctly. You don't even get a code. So check it out. We went in, and this is just a feature that Shopify offers, and then so you upload it just like any other product, and then you get the denominations of your gift cards. You had certain denominations, so we deleted all of these and added the denominations that you wanted, and then so when a customer goes into your site and they can choose which denomination they want, they will get an email from your store, and then they can take that email for the value of that denomination, and I believe it's a code they get that Shopify just sends them, or it's just a value. I've never used gift cards on Shopify personally, but they can go to your, they can give that gift card as a gift to someone, and then that person can go to your store and enter it upon checkout. So this is all set up and ready to go. I don't even think you have to think about it. It's just ready to go. Well, we're working on the logo right now, and that's about it. And if you want to go to your store and check out the home page and make any changes there, you would go here to online store, and then you go to customize. And this is the store I built for you. So you can see the store and all the features over here that have been built. If you want to at any point make any changes with these features, you just click on this. This is a slideshow at the top, and here's the photo for the slideshow. Here you can change that if you'd like. That's the second photo in the slideshow. Here is the third photo in the slideshow, and you make the changes over here on the right side. And then, so as you keep going down, you have the promotion grid here that we built. And then if you ever wanted to change any of those out, you just click here, and all the changes are done over here. It takes a little time to learn, but you'll get the hang of it. And then, we've got the testimonial section here. If you ever don't want that, you just hide it, press this, and it won't appear. But I think it's pretty good. So anyhow, those are some basic tutorials of how Shopify works. And like I said, we are working on the gift card. I do actually need the transparent logo again. I'm going to see what I can do with the one we have. But anyhow, if you could get that to me, that'd be amazing. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.